In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube thumbnails in Canva 2025. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is crucial for attracting viewers to your videos, and Canva makes this task simple and fun, even if you've never designed anything before. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll see a search bar at the top of the homepage. Type YouTube thumbnails in this search bar. This will pull up a variety of ready-made templates specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails with the correct dimensions and balance to ensure they look great and stand out on the platform. As you browse through these templates, think about the type of thumbnail that would best suit your video topic and brand style. You'll find various options ranging from bold and vibrant to more minimal and understated designs. Take your time to explore the different templates and choose one that aligns with your vision. Once you've selected a template you like, click on it to open the customization options. This step is where you can transform the existing template into something unique and personalized. Click on Customize this template and you'll be taken to Canva's design editor. Here you have the flexibility to modify text, colors, and images to match your brand and video content. For the text, think about strong, compelling words that will capture the viewer's attention. Avoid clutter and keep your text clear and concise, making sure it's easily readable even in a small thumbnail size. Canva allows you to change fonts, sizes, and colors in just a few clicks. Play around with these elements until you find a combination that stands out yet remains coherent with the rest of your design. Changing the image is the next step. If you have a specific image you'd like to use, click on the Upload section in the left sidebar. Here you can drag and drop your image directly into Canva from your computer. Once uploaded, click on your image to add it to your template. Use Canva's tools to reposition and resize your image as necessary, ensuring that it complements your text without overwhelming it. These tools are vital in adjusting your layout to look visually appealing and balanced. Remember to periodically zoom out to get a sense of how the thumbnail will appear on YouTube's interface. By now, you should have a customized YouTube thumbnail that effectively represents your video and captures potential viewers' interest. With a few more final touches and reviews, you should be ready to download your thumbnail and use it in your next YouTube upload. And there you have it. A straightforward and efficient way to design engaging YouTube thumbnails using Canva in 2025. I hope you have found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to create thumbnails that truly pop and elevate your video content. Thank you for tuning in and happy designing.